Okay, we got a Turnmaster 13x40. This lathe has taper attachment. It's got a 2-axis digital readout. It's got a coolant system. It's got a chip guard for the headstock there. Real nice shape. It's got a Jacobs chuck on it. What else we got there? We got a tool post, an Aloris tool post. Alright. It's a 2500 RPM machine. Looks like we got 16 speeds. 8-inch 3-jaw chuck. Alright. That's the or the cross slide working there. Alright, there's your carriage. Got a Turnmaster 13x40, 1 9/16 through hole.